Okay guys, we run the Windows 11 on the virtual machine Oracle VM, and we try to create a local account without the Microsoft account. At this point, when you guys see that this section, you need to press the Shift F10 buttons. On the laptop, you need to press the Fn Shift F10 buttons on the keyboards. And after the press that command prompt has opening. Make sure you click on the command prompt and type this command on the command prompt. And after the type it, you need to guys press the enter button. When you press the enter buttons, it's very easy. The Windows has tried to the rebootings. When the Windows rebootings is showing that the first setup of the Windows, such as the region or language or keyboard language. We need to bypass this section. We don't need it to set up. And then after this section, you see that I don't have an internet option has showing up. When you click on this one, you can able to create a local account without any Microsoft account on the continue with the limitation setup section. And then you're guys good to go without any issue. Thank you.